Making for Change Waltham Forest is a partnership project between London College of Fashion and Waltham Forest Council. And do you remember, Laura, how did it all start?
I bumped into Lorna Lee, who's the Director of Culture and Heritage for London Borough of Waltham Forest, and we started talking about London Borough of Culture and how it might be a great opportunity for London College of Fashion to start a sort of partnership or a collaboration with the borough.
This project uses fashion and making to activate a positive change in the borough, but also with a long-term legacy. It comprises a program of activities in relation to education, manufacturing, community engagement.
And for London College of Fashion, it's a real opportunity for us to connect to local schools.
This resource for 16 to 18-year-olds, it offers an opportunity for students to engage in what sustainability means. So it's about looking at what is going on in fashion now and what will happen in 2030.
The team has come in from London College of Fashion with a great deal of resources which we'll be able to use for the future.
And that also raises possibilities, aspiration, maybe even understanding what careers might look like in different industries like fashion. It's fulfilling a gap and a need, but also encouraging other learning.
So the other key strand was manufacturing, wasn't it?
So we had a great opportunity to have 3 members of staff at London College of Fashion to undertake residencies in fashion design and manufacturing businesses. So one of these researchers is looking into recommendations for policy for sustainable fabric manufacturing. Another one is exploring sustainable innovation and technology. And another is about revitalizing craft heritage skills.
In the shoe trade, all of your shoes are made on different shapes, and I had to make the shapes which cut the shoes out. I'm the only person in London now trying to keep the thing going.
I've contacted local schools for young people to come to workshops with Steve to see what he does, and hopefully they'll be inspired to continue on this legacy of creating a product that will last their whole life.
So of course community engagement is really important to us.
We've empowered people to actually enhance their well-being, learn new skills and contribute to sustainability. Tackling social issues like deprived youth, skills shortage, fashion manufacturing decline and unemployment.
This project is about empowering women and kind of teaching them how to make coats either for themselves or for donating them. We really want to teach them how to make a jacket that's really kind of a multi-use. You then can reverse, so you can kind of wear it in multiple ways. It's probably also easier if you have multiple children and different outfits.
As a parent, as a resident, what I can say, bringing into Waltham Forest, skill, unity, creating a bond among women, this is a very powerful thing.
And then of course there's the opening of the first fashion hub at Arbite Studios at Layton Green, which will provide long-lasting legacy for local employment, but also for our students as well.
So the main elements of the partnership plan between London College of Fashion, Fashion District and Waltham Forest Council are really around how we can help businesses thrive and the fashion industry grow within the borough.
We are in the heart of Layton here in an old supermarket, and what transformation it's had into the Arbite Studios Layton Green. It's full of creatives, it's providing a presence on our high street. People are walking past and staring, and it's a fantastic transformation for this area.
The project provides a great model for us to use going forward with other partners, particularly in relation to our move to Stratford.
Yeah, and I'd like to take this opportunity to thank Waltham Forest Council, the London Borough of Culture, the Great Place Scheme, and everybody really working on this project. Students, staff, the local community, the businesses. It's been a great opportunity, actually.
I agree, it's fantastic.